Let us see how to create this model in SolidWorks. So first we have to consider this dimension 150 to 45 and this thickness is 10 mm. Select the front plane, sketch, draw the line. This is 150 and this is 45. Make this line horizontal. Thickness is 10 mm. This thickness also 10 mm. Now add fillets. Consider fillet as 5 mm. So now exit from the sketch. Now extrude the profile. Consider your offset option. So that length will be 20, that is 10 mm offset and 10 mm thickness. So this is 10 mm and this is 10 mm offset. Sorry, consider the entire length that is 82, mid plane that is 41. So go to the SolidWorks, consider here sketch plane and here mid plane and here 40 that is 82. Here mid plane 82 and then give it. Now draw this feature, sketch for this feature. So this is 90 and radius 21 and 60. Consider a sketch here. Draw the circle. Draw one more circle. Draw the line. Make it vertical. Draw the line here. The radius is 15 radius. Okay. This height is 7.5 and width is 50. This is 7.5. Next, draw the fillet here and consider it as a file none. View. And now give dimension for this height, that is 90, and this radius is 21, that is 42. And this diameter is 16. Now trim the circle. Now this height is 25. Okay, delete this dimension. And this length is 40. Now convert entities and then give OK and then exit from the sketch. Then go back to the sketch and draw a circle here. That is 10 mm. Exit from the sketch. Now extrude. Select. Now here offset 10 mm and this also 10 mm. And then pivot. Now mirror this feature. Select mirror option. Select the front plane for mirror. Select the feature as extrude boss and then pivot. Now create these two features, that is 11 mm circle, 60 and 30. This is 30 mm and distance between the circle is 60 mm. Now draw the construction line. and the distance is 11.5. 11.5, and then exit from the sketch. This one is the extrude cut, and then give OK. Now mirror these two circles. Select the front plane, select the features, and then give OK. Now add the color, and then give OK. So this is how the part is created. Thank you for watching.